Hey there! You want to create amazing videos but you don't know where to start? Alright, today I'll show you how to use CapCut, one of the best free video editing apps. Let's dive into it. Alright, the first step would be to open the CapCut and tap on the Create project. Let's do that. Now on the left hand side we can see we can import our videos, audios and images. Let's click on that. I'm gonna import this video that I recorded the other day in Istanbul, so you are free to choose whatever you want that you want to edit. Alright, let's now add the video to the timeline. So by clicking that plus button, or you can drag and drop it like so. Alright, let's zoom a bit here. Cool. Now let's trim the clip. Alright, so we can drag these edges basically. So click on that, drag it like that to remove the parts that we don't want, or we can use these three buttons here. So to split, delete the left side or right side. Alright, so I'm gonna put that time bar here, click the split. So now we have two different parts, so this video is split from there basically, and then put it there, click that again. Now we have three different parts. I'm going to remove the middle part, so delete, press the delete button on the keyboard, delete, the middle part is deleted. Now let's add a transition to that. So right now if we play that, we are jumping from this part to that part like that. Right now let's add a transition to that. The whoosh would be good, so drag that there, leave it there. Alright, now let's play that again. Cool. Alright, now let's add some text and a sticker to our video clip. So click on text and click to add the default text. Click on the text itself and playing with us. Zoom a bit. You can click on the text and then take it and drag it up there. Alright, now on the right hand side we can see the text, so let's change that to Istanbul, and then we can change the font. Make sure that we are using the free version of one of those, because the pro version you have to pay and join the pro version, and then at the time of the export you cannot export your video without paying. So I'm gonna use that for example, and then we can change the font and the color to this, and then we can add for example a shadow to that like so, 100%. Let's change the size a bit like that, and then now let's add the sticker to that. Okay, click on the sticker and we are looking for hearts. Alright, again using the free versions, add that. Cool, now make it smaller like so, put it there and rotate it. Cool, now let's the video again. So the transition, now the text and the heart. Amazing. Let's now add the like and subscribe clip to our video. So let's go to media, to library, and then here we can search for like and subscribe, and now we get free versions of those like and subscribe videos. short clips, basically 11 seconds. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to drag it there, basically here. All right, so now if I play that again, you see that we get to see that clip like that. But as you can see, the problem is now this clip has a black background and we can't see our video, so it's not that nice. So let's change that. Click on that and let's go back a bit. Click on that, and then on the right hand side we get to remove the background. Select the chroma key, click on the color picker. It gives you this circle, so color picker, this circle, click anywhere in the black color. We get to choose the black color here, and then let's change the intensity. If it's 100, you can see the bell icon is like disappearing, so let's go to 70%. Nice. Now let's change the size of that clip and then move it down to here. All right, nice one. Let's play that again. Wow, cool, right? This is amazing. Now let's right click on that and copy this and then paste it in different places of our video, wherever we want to show that. Amazing. Alright, now let's add some music to our video. So click on the audio and then choose one of the free versions that you want to use. For example, this one. This one's Pro. This one. Okay, I'm gonna add that there, and let's play that to see. Cool. Remember that you can basically trim that audio like we did with the video, and also you can change all the settings in the right hand side, so you can fade in, fade out, or change the volume. So for example, if you want to just use that as a background music, then you change the volume and volume down, and then you get to see that. You can hear the music, see? We hear the sound of the video and the music, so we want to use it as a background. Just the music. Alright, it's time to export the video. So once your masterpiece is ready, the export button is up there. Tap on that, and then we can choose the resolution, the frame rate, the formats, and everything. And we're gonna change that to Istanbul walking to 2024, and we press the export button there. Depending on the complexity of your edit and also the length of the video, it takes some time, but it will give you the video eventually. Alright, and that's it. You've just created your first video with CapCut. If that was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and happy editing. See you next time.